Hello, this is my first rant. I'm sorry if the slime is bad or bad looking, ill fix later. Okay, now hear me out. I really hate when someone make racist jokes when it's actually a serious topic. Like bro, okay, we all get that skin is clean and shitty stuff. A skin color is not that deep. Being sensitive, and being exaggerated over a skin color. And I don't have nothing to rant now, can you guys tell me ideas? I think I should end it now. Okay, sorry, Luke, Kenny out.